Hey guys, this is your girl Azrae. Hey guys, if you're new here, I'm back with another video.
Oh, I've been the same, ain't shit changed, this ain't nothing new. That pretty frame, diamond chain, what the fuck it do? Yo, clear the way, it's some bad bitches coming through. I get 2 F's like the letters that are on my shoe. Yikes, I play tag and you in for life. Yikes, you a clown, you in for life.
Hey guys, I am back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing on a lovely luxurious bag, and if you could tell by the title, it is Telfar. I'm going to be unboxing. I purchased a bag from them and the girls have been going crazy for this bag, and I finally got my hands on one. Well, let's get into the unboxing. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go. So I want to before I get into the unboxing, I just want to tell you more about the owner. The owner of Telfar Bags is Telfar. They don't respect me over here. The owner of the bags, Telfar Clements, is a fashion designer. Okay, he is from Queens. That's my hometown, Queens.
Queens. Yeah.
And he made a lovely bag fashion brand, and it is a genderless fashion bag company, and that's what I love so much about it. His whole brand is genderless and it's for everyone, so no one is left behind here. Okay, the bags are lovely. They have small, medium, and large sizes, and they are vegan leather, so no animal was harmed making this bag. Okay, so let's get into it. I already had it open, but it comes in a box, a regular cardboard box with the size of the bag. The bag was folded in the cardboard box. When you take the bag out, it has a Telfar plastic bag, and I save all of my designer bags that come like this. You should too. Okay, it's big, it's cute. Save it. It protects the bag. So we're gonna take it out, and then we have the dust bag for the bag itself. So this is the bag. I got it in the medium. It comes, I wore this already, so forgive me. The straps come tied. I popped the tags, the tie straps off. This is the medium bag, really cute. It's a button bag on the top, not zippered. They have compartments, a compartment in the back of the bag. Ooh, I got some cash in here. Compartments. We have a logo tag inside, and then we just have, this is the medium size bag. Let's get into the info of this bag because I love the details. Okay, it's all about the details. Boom, you ready? All right, so I have the medium cream shopping bag. Okay, it's a unisex company. As I said before, it's a unisex fashion brand, and I love that. Okay, it's the unisex shopping bag. Is an everyday for everybody, featuring double strapped handles and crossbody straps, embossed leather, a main compartment with magnetic snap closure and internal zipper pockets, made from fox leather and twill lining. Bag is packaged in 100% cotton drawstring bag with the screen printed logo. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to leave all the links in the description where you can get the bag. Now this bag is everyone wants it, and it gets sold out really fast. So the best thing I would suggest for you guys to do is definitely sign up for newsletters on the website. Definitely follow them on Instagram, and definitely set a timer when they launch. When they say it's the day that they're gonna launch, definitely set a timer for this bad boy because I love it. I love the embossed logo in the front. This is what got me from the bag. I used to always be people be like, well, that bag with the T, the bag with the T, where can I get the bag? And Telfar. Okay, it is a black owned business. It is a black owned fashion designer, and he's out here gathering the girls together, making awesome bags. This bag is really cute. I love this bag, and I'm a fan of the nudes, the browns, so I wanted this nude one. I'm so happy I was able to get it, and I absolutely love it. I'm going to actually show you guys how to style this bag either in this video or next video, just how I'm feeling. Okay, we're gonna see what that is. But this bag is really cute. The price point, they're very affordable. He has a medium, he has a small, medium, and large in the bags. The small is $150, the medium is $202, and the large is $257. So these are affordable luxury bags. Usually you're paying for Gucci, Birkin, Louis, $1,000 and up. You can get a luxury vegan, okay, bag, and then you're putting money back into, you know, putting money back into my people's pockets, supporting my people's. This bag is really cute. I want to get the smaller one to take it out every day, to have it too for my brunches and dinners and stuff. This is really cute. I want this bag in every color, and that's gonna be my goal, to have this bag in every color, honestly, truly. Okay, this bag is so dope. I love it. Okay, so here is just a better view of the bag. I wanted to show you the bag, how it look when it is actually on, how you can actually style this bag. So like I said before, this is the medium shopper in the cream color. In this video, I'm gonna basically show you guys how to wear it crossbody with the long straps, and then also how to wear it with the short straps and the overall look of the bag. So for everyone that is trying to get and snatch up one of these awesome bags, Telfar is having a bag security program. It is going to be starting tomorrow. So you have 2 days to get any bag, any size, any color. You are going to pre-order your bag. They are going to custom make it for you, and then they're going to ship it out between certain days. You're not going to get it automatically. They're going to custom make it, and then they're going to ship it out between, I think it's going to get shipped between July and further other months. Definitely check it out on the website. This is perfect for anyone that's trying to get a bag. I advise everyone to rack up on these bags, because trust me, when you can get them while you can, because these are very hot and they are definitely worth it and very affordable. So go on and go get your Telfar bag.
But they got no mouth for money bag talk. It's quiet, ain't no back talk. ain't no back to.